to give my yes to you today. I choose.
Good morning. It's Friday, the 23rd of May, and I still got some condensed milk coffee left over from the guys this morning. If you have your Bibles, turn to Psalm 34, verse 8. Psalm 34, vers 8. O taste and see that the Lord is good. How blessed is the man who takes refuge in him. But I want to come to the truth this morning of, have you ever been to the restaurant where you say to the person, you've been there and you've eaten at that restaurant a lot of times and you've had just about every dish that's on the menu. And when the person who's with you that you've taken there as a guest and you're excited to expose them to the culinary delights of this restaurant, and you say to them, doesn't matter what you order, you can order anything on the menu. Everything here is, I can recommend. Everything here is good. I want to say to you this morning, spiritually, taste and see that the Lord is good. What the Lord places before you today, and sometimes we see the uphills and the wind from the front, and we see the challenges and the difficulties and the mountains that the Lord places in front of us as not good, as not delightful, as not what we actually want at that stage. Yet the Lord knows exactly what you need. And the Lord knows what you need to prepare you for what life is going to throw at you. God knows the future. God knows your weaknesses and your shortcomings and where you still need to be. You still need to be sharpened. You still need to be honed. You still need to be prepared. You still need to be strengthened. And so he brings things across your path which at face value don't look like blessings, but they're actually the best thing that you need. So I want to encourage you today, this weekend, as you sit on Sunday, Lord willing, in a church service, taste and see that the Lord is good. How blessed is the man who takes refuge in him. I don't know what you're going through. I don't know what you have to take refuge from. But I recommend the Lord, because in the tasting and in the seeing, I can testify to times of impatience where I've questioned the Lord and I've doubted the Lord and I've wondered what the Lord's doing. But historically, over my life, I can assure you that anything in the house of God, on His menu, and His plans for you, you can order, you can taste, and you will see that the Lord is good. Vertrou hom. Vertrou in hom. Gee jouself oor. Moenie jaloers wees nie. Moenie op wat ander mense deurgaan en wat hulle beleef afkyk en sê, yes, ek wens ek kon daai lewe gehad het. Die Here het 'n plan vir jou lewe, wat spesifiek vir jou is. En dit waardeur jy gaan, beloof hy om saam met jou deur dit te gaan, en sy goedheid en guns, sy genade, sal jou deel wees in elke dag. Take it with you into this weekend. Have a wonderful weekend, and taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the man who takes refuge in the Lord. May you be one of those who are blessed. Mag jy wel geluksalig wees in die Here vandag en oor die naweek. Lord willing, see you Monday again.
To give my yes to you today.